I indulge, yeah, and I'm a foodie, and I think everyone knows. I'm good Monday to Friday. And then Friday evening and Saturday, I'm like, I eat anything and everything. A 6-year-old child or a 60-year-old, that's including my mother, gobbles 5 like at a time. I'm like, Mom, and it's so annoying because I'm like, Mom, and like even if I'm not around, like Lolo will send me like a message and be like, Mom's like had 3 magnums right now.
Well, films or otherwise, there is no ignoring Kareena Kapoor Khan. And Kareena, you're here in the capital, looking in the best of your shape, looking very chic. Each and every outing that we've spotted you with pictures and all across, everybody's talking about, wow, Kareena is looking lovely in each one of her appearances. So about that, you're used to it now.
No, I think everyone's just that. I think because I have lost weight, and I think I've changed my training pattern because I was training for Brother's song. Yeah. So I think this is the after effects of the song that's happened, because for 2 months I trained on a special thing for this song when I knew I was going to do the song. So for 2 months we did a lot of TRX and a lot of Pilates. So a lot of that has changed. So that's why I'm saying that's why I think, yeah, because even I've got like 25 messages after this whole thing. I don't know, they got photographed at Zoya's house, and like everybody was like, you know, you've lost so much weight, what have you done, what have you done? I was like, no, but that's always the case with me, whether it was then or now, but it's just that, yeah, I have changed a little bit of my training pattern.
I mean, all your family functions, you're garnering all the headlines and everything. You know, the dance number with Saif at Soha. It actually managed to come out, but it was lovely.
I know, but I mean, you know, she's my sister-in-law, and we were like, you know, the happiest for her that finally, you know, Soha and Kunal were getting married, because they're such a lovely couple, and we try to spend as much time as we can, you know, even though we live together near each other. Sometimes it gets difficult, but yeah, you know, she's Saif's baby sister and he adores her.
Now, Kareena, you know, something really bizarre happened when Vishwa Hindu Parishad magazine mopped your picture, and, you know, all those things came out, and they used it for their women's magazine to endorse love jihad and, you know, defy the whole logic there. So about that...
I mean, I haven't given any... I don't like clarifications and justifications. That's why I don't do that. And that's why I'm not on any social media, because I don't want to, you know, I don't want to give it doesn't matter, you know, it doesn't matter to me. This is, you know, they've done it for their own will, and I have nothing to say about it. And I don't want to even give it importance, because it's irrelevant in my life.
Which ghar wapasi and all of that, yeah. Saif should remarry according to Hindu rites and things like that.
Love prevails all is my only statement, because like I said, getting into details is, you know, giving it too much importance, and the fact is that we are in love, and we are happily married, and that's the way it's going to be, and nothing can change that.
28 cuss words being not allowed in films, which includes the word Bombay, which is very bizarre, of course. So as a film person, you know, an actor, doesn't your creativity gets curtailed when something like this endorses?
You know, so many things are being discussed now out in the open, you know. People are fighting for freedom of speech, people are fighting for this. There's so many things being discussed. But the main thing that is there are bigger problems in India that need to be addressed before censorship issues. There are greater issues to be tackled, you know, to change the mindset of the Indian mentality. To get to that, there are a lot of things above that, whether it's education, you know, poverty. So freedom of speech comes much later. You know, we need to tackle the bigger problems to address those issues.
Accusations coming to your family, like totally, Pehlad saying that when Sharmila ji was part of the censor board, she passed Omkara because Saif was part of the film, things like that. How do you react to it?
Well, I don't know. I wouldn't want to even react to that, because I think Omkara is a film that we all are very proud of, and we stand by it completely.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan with Salman, there's Udta Punjab. So a bit about, you know, working with in these two films.
Well, of course, Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the big bonanza Eid ticket commercial blockbuster, which, you know, I love to be a part of, as always. And yeah, but Kabir is the exciting part, because, you know, it's new for me and Salman, and to come together with Kabir, and it's going to be a dramatically different movie, because a lot more drama, not just comedy and action. So that's what I'm excited about. And yeah, Udta Punjab, of course, I'm as nervous and excited as the audience is.
But headlines garnering a different way because Shahid is also part of the film, although you don't share screen space
Yeah.
together. So,
But I think that it's different. It's a three track story. So yeah, I mean, like I said yes to the script. Like even before we reached the end of the film, before we reached the interval, also I was like looked at Abhishek and I was like, I love the script and I'm doing the